Today we're doing a little bit of garden cleanup, and I wanted to show you a trick to get rid of slugs in the garden. If you have an old board, just any old board, not a pressure treated board, but an old board, you can just set it in your garden path, set it alongside the garden somewhere, set it in a garden bed, any place you've got space. And if you have a slug issue, during the night they'll be out there eating your lettuces, but during the day when it gets hot, they want someplace cool to rest. So they go underneath the board. Look at all the slugs. If you had to hunt them down in your garden one by one at night, it would be a pain in the neck. But they want a nice, damp, safe place to sleep. And so if you put a board out in your garden, they'll get underneath it. And this is often a problem in raised beds where you have boards on the ground. The slugs like to sleep in that. We had raised beds before and the slugs would sleep all around the edges of it. But just take a board, put it out in your garden, let it stay there. You know, it'll get damp underneath. It's a nice place for slugs. After a while, just flip it over and check and see. If you have slugs underneath it, then you can do whatever you want to do to the slugs. This is not an original idea to me. I remember reading it somewhere years ago, but I found that it actually works, as you can see by the abundance of slugs beneath this board. Just a quick tip for you. Catch you all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.